Right, good morning everybody, good to see you and welcome back to another Arty Train Productions train vlog number 14 at the time of recording. Today is the 25th of March, the time now is 6:46, we are currently awaiting the 0656 up to Leeds. We are doing one of those Northern Day Ranger things where you get free travel on the network for the entire day. It cost me about 10 quid. It was an agreement between Northern and Reach PLC, which is a media company. So yeah, we will be heading west, which is an area which I haven't covered as much when it comes to the Northern network, so that's why I'm going to the west, basically. Yeah, we'll see when the 6056 arrives.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
Welcome to Leeds. Right everyone, welcome to Leeds. We're here for a bit of time. Our train's actually just right behind us there. It's 195111 and that's going to take us to Chester. So yeah, let's what now?
We will come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our...
Finally in Chester. Everyone, after a solid 2 hours and 20 minutes across the country, we're here in Chester. Same thing. We're just waiting on the 60 tour at this point. It should have left Crewe, so I'm guessing it's not that far off. We'll get transport for Wales and maybe an Avanti Voyager. Oh yeah, Merseyrail as well for the peps. But yeah, we'll see you when the tour arrives, I guess. After having reached the 60 at Chester, we're on this TFW 153 heading to Crewe. We're breaking the rules a little bit. This is just for the interest of time, so yeah, we'll see when we get to Crewe.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
In Crewe. We're here at Crewe. So plan of attack now is to get what is listed as a 331 back to Manchester, and from there we're going to take it from there for the rest of the day, really. Manchester. Right everyone, little update in Manchester now after that very busy journey from Crewe. I didn't film too much on it because it was basically full and standing. So basically the rest of the day is going to be just bashing random units and just racking up some mileage. Heading over to platform 14 now, so we'll see you when we get over there.
Manchester Piccadilly. Welcome aboard the Northern Service to Blackpool North.
Salford Crescent. Haulage to Southport.
This is Salford Crescent. This is the Northern Service to Southport. The next stop is West Holton.
Sure, as well as giving you space and that, you know.
Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Finally in Southport. Right everyone, we are now here in Southport, and I've been told to catch this, so we've got to do a bit more rule breaking. This goes to Hunts Cross. I have no idea where I've been told to get off, so yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, so let's go board now. Ainsdale. Right, everyone, after a quick stop at Ainsdale, we are heading to Seaforth now, and then I've got a few more hours after that, so yeah, we'll just see when this PEP arrives, whichever one it is. Seaforth and Litherland, or Litherland, however you say it. Alright everyone, we are here at Seaforth and Litherland. This is an island platform, Merseyrail trains, and we're just kind of here to kill time really. There is a massive dock over there. I guess that's what you expect from a coastal city. But yeah, we're just waiting for another PEP into central Liverpool, so we'll see you when that arrives. Alright, haulage to where?
Oriel Road.
Oriel Road.
James.
Right, Bootle, Oriel Road.
Why?
Right, everyone, after having gotten off that PEP, we are here at Bootle. And we're heading up to the end of this road here to once again veg those 60s we saw earlier, as they're still wandering around the Liverpool area. They've been in like some dock areas and stuff like that. Bit of rare haulage for the people on board, I guess. So yeah, enjoy.
Claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
It's like being in a foreign country.
What, with the metro?
No, with the people.
Oh,
Do you not agree?
Liverpool.
It's got London Underground smell.
We are out of the underground and we are back at Liverpool Lime Street. So, plan of attack now is to make our way up to Preston for another rail tour, which is hauled by an 86. 86 101, that's the one with LSL, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go get that. I have no idea when it's due, so we'll just have to wait and see and then make our way home from there. So yeah, we'll see you when we get on the train. Up to Preston from here. Preston. Right everyone, welcome to Preston. The time now is 18:30. We are currently waiting on the 86 rail tour coming back down from Carlisle with 86 101 at the helm. And it's running early at the minute, so that would be very useful. So yeah, we're waiting for about another 30 minutes, roughly, I think. So 331 going out to Blackpool North over there. But yeah, we'll just see when the 86 arrives. Haven't actually vegged this one moving yet, so that'll be cool. First for me, I guess. So yeah, that'll be great. But yeah, see you when the 86 arrives. Right, haulage back to Yorkshire. 195116. Should you just get those two airlines? Alright, nice. Finally back in Yorkshire. Right everyone, we are now back in Yorkshire. We are now going to get our final train of the day back to Harrogate. It's 17459, so we're going to board on the front here. Let's go.